I have 3 children that I'm trying to raise.
You're going to kill somebody. You're going to kill somebody. And I can't do this. I wish I could. The whole team agrees you need help. Ma'am?
For drunk driving offenses, dozens of missed sobriety tests, and a secret job at a bar. Welcome back to the channel, where today we are diving into a courtroom showdown that quickly spirals into a masterclass on how not to play a judge. A mother of 3 is pleading for a second chance in a specialty sobriety court, a program designed to keep offenders out of prison. But as the judge starts digging into her recent behavior, a web of hidden truths and broken bond conditions begins to unravel. Will her desperate pleas save her, or will a single hidden detail completely seal her fate? Let's roll the tape and find out.
And set a new bond after finding that she had consumed alcohol. I told her at one point that she'd better get into sobriety court. If she did, I wasn't guaranteeing I wasn't guaranteeing anything, but I guaranteed she was going to go to jail for a lengthy period of time if she didn't get into sobriety court. And that's where we are. If you had a chance to review the report, any material additions, corrections, or deletions?
Oh, yeah.
Anything that you would like to say on her behalf?
Your Honor, when you filed the contempt report, you talked earlier about since you have talked about plan for sobriety, she has to determine anything that's desired. And she is no longer in denial if she has a alcohol substance abuse problem. In Brooklyn, she's working hard as a broker. She has 3 small kids. Applied with probation officers and minor flips. She has complied with the orders.
Okay, anything else?
Yeah.
Ma'am, anything you would like to say?
I am taking this seriously. I have been going to therapy on.
Right here, the defense is trying to paint a picture of rehabilitation, emphasizing her therapy, her career in real estate, using her children as her ultimate motivation to stay sober. In the legal world, showing proactive steps toward recovery before sentencing, classic strategy to win a judge's favor. Sobriety courts are highly selective. They aren't just about punishment, they are about intense supervision. But notice how the judge isn't entirely buying the narrative yet. He's about to ask a very specific question about it. If you were the judge, would these proactive steps be enough to earn your trust? Or would you need more proof? Let's see what happens when the cross-examination begins.
Why didn't you tell your probation officer that before, and why did I have to ask questions to find out that you were working at JT's?
I just helped them out a couple of times. I'm not like fully complete there. I want to be.
Okay.
And there it is, the fatal mistake. When you're on multiple drunk driving charges, working at a venue that primarily serves alcohol is an immediate red flag. But what makes this infinitely worse is the concealment. By omitting this gig from her probation officer, she heard the one thing a sobriety court requires: absolute transparency. The judge's tone changes instantly here from investigative to absolutely disappointed. You can feel the tension in the room spike. He calls out the glaring contradiction of recovering from severe alcoholism while actively working under a bar roof.
I know too many people.
I
know too many people. Don't tell me you've only worked there twice. You said a couple times you helped out a friend, and you didn't bother telling anybody your name. So I want to know, because you and I talked, because you had a conversation with her. I want to know, I want you to state for the record what she told you.
Sure.
Then tell me when it was.
So the appointment was on April 20th. Found out at the meeting with you on April 20th, that she was working at the bar. So at our appointment on Friday, that's saying April 24th, we had just been going over, the screening. I asked if there
Talk about a dropping courtroom betrayal. The probation officer just took the stand and completely dismantled the defendant's timeline. She didn't just forget to mention the job. She explicitly claimed she was living off her savings. In a court of law, getting caught in a direct lie to your monitoring officer is a point of no return. The judge is giving her a chance to explain. Notice his warning, make it really good. He is giving her the rope, and she is running out of options fast. Let's see how she tries to justify concealing a bartending job while battling a fourth DUI arrest.
On purpose.
Opened the place and asked her if I could pick up some shifts there to supplement my income because I'm not able to do real estate full-time right now. I'm not full-time employed. I would like to be. I really need the money to support my kids right now. I know the people that work there and I'm able to get rides from them, so yes, I have picked up shifts there. And I stopped asking to bartend. I was only picking up the serving shifts.
Listen. I have to go by my gut a lot. I don't sense that you're taking this seriously. You violated the bond conditions.
26 late or missed alcohol breath tests. For consecutive days of testing positive for alcohol in February alone. This is where the legal reality completely crushes the defense argument. In a sobriety court program, compliance is everything. Missing a single breath test is often treated as a positive result. Missing 26? That shows a blatant disregard for the court authority. The judge is making it clear. He will help her, but the data proves she isn't playing by the rules. The emotional weight of this moment is heavy. She's fighting for her freedom. Her own tracking record is convicting her.
You're only 38 years old, and you needed to cross every T and dot every I, and you didn't.
I have 3 children that I'm trying to raise.
You're gonna kill somebody. You're going to kill somebody. And I can't do this. I wish I could. The whole team agrees you need help. Ma'am, I can't take you. I cannot take you. Can't do it. I wish I could. I get so disappointed listening to people when I know that they're lying to me. This is not voluntary truthfulness on sobriety court in particular. There's no way I'm changing my mind, Mr. Longton.
Well, Your Honor, she was desperate because family law case, we received no child support and have overseen no child support until they need you. If you've been desperate, so all of us usually she asked for a surgery because so.
I have 3 kids. I'm going to take care of myself.
I get it. I get it.
I have been married to
and you-
I get myself into therapy.
You also, listen, I want to take you. I want to take you. No. I cannot. I agree you need help. I cannot do this. Ma'am, you should have thought about that before you got your first sex.
This is the moment where the hammer drops. Because she couldn't maintain honesty, the judge officially denies her entry into the specialty sobriety court and shifts straight to traditional sentencing. Listen closely to the financial and physical breakdown of her punishment. Multiple court fees, operational recovery costs, and an immediate 60-day jail sentence with an additional 30 days tacked on if she fails to pay her weekly fines. Her attorney tries to plea for weekend jail time so she can remain with her kids, but the judge flatly denies it. Honesty was her currency for mercy, and she spent it all too soon.
Obviously, Amy,
Could you possibly do this on the weekends?
no. There's no way I can let her do it on weekends. You have 21 days to appeal. You have 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer. You should have thought about all these.
August 7th, Judge.
There's 7. If you need more time, you call the court. We'll go on Zoom. I feel awful about this, probably as awful as you do, except I'm not the one serving the jail term. You're gonna have to, we'll let you make some calls, but you're in custody for 60 days. Yes, you are. And I'm not.
Truly sobering conclusion to a heavy case. In the end, this mother of 3 was handed a 60-day immediate jail sentence, along with over $1,000 in fines and court costs. While her situation, as a single mother trying to survive, is undoubtedly stressful, the judge made a crucial legal point. Specialty courts rely entirely on the honor system to protect public safety. By failing 26 alcohol tests and hiding her employment position at a bar, she proved to the court that she wasn't ready to face her addiction transparently. It serves as a stark reminder that in front of a judge, a truth is always worse than a tough reality. What do you think? Did the judge make the right call by denying her the sobriety program? Or should he have given her a break for the sake of her children? Let us know your thoughts. If you find this case as shocking as we did,